The deadline for submission of names of aspirants to the Commission for 4 elective positions, that is the members of National Assembly, Senate, women representatives, and members of County Assembly, remains the 28th of April this year. And this is mainly to assist the Commission, or rather to give the Commission a chance to submit those names to the Chapter 6 institutions so that they can carry out due diligence on the particular aspirants. The date for submission of aspirants lists for the positions of President and presidential candidates and deputies, as well as gubernatorial candidates and deputies, will be on the 16th of May. That's next month, 16th of May 2022. That is for presidential candidates, their deputies, gubernatorial candidates and their deputies will be on the 16th of May. And all these then names will be submitted to Chapter 6 institutions for due diligence before the date for aspirants or to have nomination meetings, which will be carried out countrywide, pre-nomination meetings which will be carried out countrywide on the 23rd of May. So that is the agreement we have had today as a result of the consultative meetings.